With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given that there are two short bar magnets with the magnetic moment given as to be 400 ampere centimeter square and 800 ampere centimeter square. These are placed with their axes in the same straight line with the similar poles facing each other, and their center at a distance of 20 centimeter from each other. Now we need to find what is the force of repulsion between them. What is the value of the force of repulsion between them? Okay. So in any case, if we say that magnetic field, for example, if there is a magnet, if we just draw a bar magnet like this, okay. So at any point, okay, at a distance of small r from the center, we just take a distance from the center. Let's say it is at a distance r. So what is the magnetic field at this location? Okay, so it would be the axial position. So it would be equals to B1 equals to mu naught divided by 4 pi. Then it would be 2, and if magnetic moment, let's say magnetic moment is m1 for this one, so it would be 2m1 divided by r cube. This would be the magnetic field. Okay, now what would be the force value, so which would be exerted? Now what we are doing, we are placing a magnet here. Okay, so this magnetic field would interact with this magnet which is having a magnetic moment given as to be m2. Okay, so the force value which would be exerted here, it would be equals to m2 magnetic moment of this multiply into dB1 divided by dr. If we differentiate dB1 divided by dr, okay, so we put the value of dB1 by dr. Now what would be the value of dB1 by dr if we just differentiate? Let's say this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. So dB1 divided by dr, what would be this value? This value would be equals to mu naught divided by 4 pi, this is constant, 2m1, this is constant. It would be just differentiation of 1 divided by r cube. So differentiation of 1 divided by r cube, this value would be equals to minus 3 divided by r to the power 4. Okay, so this would then turn out to be, if we take this, so it would be minus 6. Then it would be mu naught m1 divided by 4 pi r to the power 4. This would be the case. So this is the value of dB1 divided by dr. So what would be the value of f2? So if you multiply this with our m2, then we get the value of m2. So it would be minus 6 mu naught m1 m2 divided by 4 pi r to the power 4. Now the value of m1 and m2 are given as to be, let's say m1 value would be equals to, so this m1 is given as to be 400 ampere per centimeter square, and this m2 is given as to be 800. So if you first write this m1, so m1 would be equals to 400 ampere centimeter square. Now 1 ampere would be equivalent to 10 ampere. So we say that it would be 400 multiplied by 10. This would convert it into ampere. Now it is centimeter square. So if you multiply it by 10 raised to the power minus 4, so it would be converted into meter square. So it would be ampere meter square. So our m1 would turn out to be 0.4 ampere meter square. Similarly, if we do the same operation for the m2, it would turn out to be 0.8 ampere meter square. Now we can put all the values to get the force which is exerted. So f2 value would be equals to this 6 into mu naught. Mu naught value would be equals to 4 pi into 10 raised to the power minus 7. So we are just talking about the magnitude. That is why we are not taking the negative sign. Divided by 4 pi into m1 m2. That means 0.4 into 0.8 divided by the distance. So r is the distance. Distance is given as to be 20 centimeters. So it would be 20 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. It would be in meter. So and to the 4th power, because here it is coming out to be 4th power. Now if we solve this, then our f2 would turn out to be, f2 value would then turn out to be 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Newton. Or we can say that it would be equals to 12 dyne. Okay. So which is the correct option? 12 dyne. That means A would be the correct option. Hope you understood this solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.